Hello friends, I wanted to know how to find the sum of this number, how to find the value of under root 20 plus 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 under root 20 till infinity, right? Looks like a difficult sum. First of all, finding the value of under root 20 itself is difficult, and having this big expression. But believe me, my friends, it will not take more than 15 seconds for us to find the value of this. Want to learn with me? Yes. Let's start. Step number one. Step number one, what you will do, you'll try to find the factor of the number. Factor of the number with difference 1. So what is the factor of 20? Factor of 20. Having difference as 1. So what we can say, 4 into 5. So 4 and 5 give you a difference of 1. That is what we were talking about, difference of 1. Find the factor of the number. Now, step number 2. Step number 2. In the factor, now let's go to the question. If in the question it is given plus sign, if it is plus sign, then choose the bigger number. Bigger number which is factor. Bigger factor. If it is negative, your answer will be smaller factor. And that is what is the answer. So in this case, considering this, so this can be written as 4 into 5 as factor, right? Having plus here, everywhere plus is there. So our answer will be 5. So this can be written as this is equal to 5. Got the answer? Yes, we have got the answer of this. Wonderful. Let's see one more sum. What if it was negative? What is given? Under root 56 minus under root 56 minus under root 56 till infinity. So step number 1, what we will do at step number 1, we will find the factor of 56 in such a way that the difference of the factor is going to be 1. That is 8 into 7. 8 7 ja 56. Now step number 2, what we will see, we will check the which operator is used, whether it is plus or minus. Here minus is used, so smaller number is 7. So the answer will be equal to 7. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned to Quant Guru for more such videos on quantitative aptitude. Thank you so much. Have a good day.